I'm the only one that can stress you like this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a Nigerian wedding inspiration but tutorial. But this one is going to be like an introduction. Like if you want to get married and you want to do your introduction, this is like an inspiration for it. So my muse is Dame Ladi. Her name is Dame Ladi. Like this girl stressed me. We're like, God, like her trouble is so much. I enjoyed it at the end of the day. I enjoyed the video at the end of the day. So I'm just going to leave you to enjoy the video.
She loves me.
I don't. I'll be right back.
Hello. Oh my gosh. Young boy in a big man posh. Young boy with the big man posh. Tarodo, you got too much sauce. Oh my gosh. Young boy in a big man posh. The way you need now, only me get time. Chop him like Tozo. Say you know my body na fire. Now you go tire. Enjoyment minister, just a while. You come again, my body na fire. Now you go tire. Enjoyment minister, just a while. So for your informate, I believe your government, your legislate. So make you communicate and start to relate. Every time that we spend, I appreciate. So for your informate, I believe your government, your legislate. So make you communicate and start to relate. Every time we spend, I appreciate, yeah. No darling, no way. Never do I. No way. No darling, no way.
Big Smoke, sir.
Food is another man. Another man food is another man.
Now I went ahead to use a primer. I'm using the Juba Cosmetics primer. It doubles up as the moisturizer and the primer. And I went ahead to use the foundation, which is the Black Up and the Maybelline Super Stay. As you can see, it blends very well with her skin. Now moving on to the highlight, I didn't want like a very pronounced highlight, so I'm using the Maybelline. I didn't want a very pronounced highlight, so I'm using the Black Up as the highlight. As you can see, it's about like a shade lighter than her color. I didn't want anything because she's a dark skinned, and you don't want to over highlight a dark skin tone.
This DJ is on fire.
Money fall on you. Money fall on you. Banana fall on you. Money fall on you. Banana fall on you. Paparazzi follow you. Cause I'm in love with you. Yeah, are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. I don't wanna be a player no more. Yeah. I don't wanna be a player no more. Cause my guys call me Cristiano, Mr. Ronaldo, I'm on Nintendo. Cause my guys call me Cristiano, Mr. Ronaldo, I'm on Nintendo. Yeah. Money fall on you, banana fall on you, Prada fall on you. Cause I'm in love with you. Yeah. Money fall on you, banana fall on you, paparazzi follow you. Cause I'm in love with you. If I offend you, if I
So for our lips, I'm gonna be going in with the Colourpop Elari pencil, and I went in with the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick, but the name already wiped off, so I don't know. And I went in with Oyster Girl lip gloss from MAC, and I topped it off with the Clear Glass lip gloss from MAC as well.
As long as you got me, baby, what a second. Any man who got to the bar, you already taken. And one for this and when you want your Uber decking. What for not giving up in my peanut in the making. Working for you for your love, I go sign on the taking. Baby, you hold me for work. Baby, you hold me for work. I can enter your life, I go love you better. Love you better. Baby, cool your temper. Cool your temper. If I'm on your body, you want to surrender. Sambo, Sambo. Tell her what your love is. Sambo. Sambo, Sambo, I call you early in the morning. Sambo, Sambo, answer. Baby, I dey beg you, make you answer. Answer. Baby, I dey beg you, make you answer. Since I don't dey call, you know the answer. About you don't need a answer. Like a Jackson.
And the gilly parts, oh my god, guys, like apparently when it got to a particular point, it just stopped recording and we didn't know. Like, it was so annoying. But I think I'm going to do a separate gilly video so that you know how I tie my gilly. And like, honestly, I really wanted this to even be a full gilly tutorial, but then at least you can still grab one or two things. But I'm going to do a separate gilly video, don't worry, like, I got you. And after the gilly, that concludes the end of the makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did, and I hope you guys subscribe. Like, please subscribe, please click on the notification bell so you would not miss any update from me. Please don't forget to share this video and tell people about Mossbeau. Thank you, I love you, bye, stay beautiful.
All this package, we didn't record it.
But I did turn them down, cause now you girl, me, I want you. Baby, give me time, so be this time, baby, gon' blue. Yeah, baby, gon' blue. This your way, like in this your way.
And even other girls, they tell me I'm sicker.
But yeah, why buy me big?
And I don't need no liquor.
Like in this your way.
I've got the energy to light up the world. My love far away me go.
Sorry, my nail.
What up, man? It's Tory Lanez right now. Everybody.
See, I need to find songs. This is not.
My love far away me go. Rashid, wala sa como para de. Rashid,
Hey, Jesus, look down. Like that. It's too much. I'm blushing. Hey, God. You're an idiot. Stop blushing. Are you taking post?